This is everything you need to make oat milk from home. The blender, the milk bag, large bowl, container to store it in. That's your hardware. For ingredients, oats, water, pinch of salt. You can stop there, but if you want flavor, go vanilla, go maple syrup, or both. It's really up to you. All right, let's get it. Just did it without the blade. It's okay. All right, let's go. All right, blending is done. Now you strain it through the milk bag. It's a dairy substitute, it's not real milk, but enjoy it or don't. If you want to drink cow dairy milk, do that. If you're looking for a milk substitute without the high price tag, do this. Make sure you don't let any oats spill off to the side. Half-gallon mason jar. Now sauce it up how you want. I do a pinch of pink salt, pink Himalayan salt. Splash of vanilla. And then 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That's it. There you got it. Homemade oat milk. Put the date, says 3rd. Label your product, sweet oat milk. Yeah, there you have it. Whole half gallon for you.